Have you forgotten your Telegram two-step verification password? Well, here is how you can reset it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Misnet, and today in this video, I'll guide you on how you can easily get ahead and reset your password after you have forgotten your two-step verification password for Telegram. Well, the process is simple. Simply go ahead and open up Telegram, right? Then you can tap on Start Messaging, go ahead and choose your country code, enter in your phone number and tap on yes and go ahead, and it shall ask you for your password as well. So if you have forgotten password, on your screen you should be able to find the option that says forgot password, right? You can see right here. You're going to tap on it. Once you tap on it, it'll say you that we have sent a recovery code to the email you provided. So you can tap on continue and you want to head back to your email. On the email you should be able to get the code. So if you reload it, simply enter in your recovery code here and it will ask you to enter new password, and you can either skip this if you do not want to set new password, or if you want to set new password you can enter a new password and then go ahead and log in back to your account. This is how you can easily reset your Telegram two-step verification password. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.